The story, the secret, the shocking truth. Reveal the Buzz 2 Confession.
A Whole New World. The Jennifer Leslie Ligue Story. August 6, 2009. Ang napapabalitang araw ng paglisa ni Jen ng bansa patungong Dubai para sa magandang kinabukasan. Sa mga hindi nakakakilala, sino ba talaga si Jennifer? Si Jennifer Leslie Policarpio Ligue ay pangalawa sa tatlong magkakapatid. Pinanganak noong March 3, 1987. Nag-aral sa mga eskwelahang St. James, QCA, FEU, at Capital Medical Center College. Nagtapos ng kursong nursing, isang mabuting Kristiyano at miyembro ng tinaguriang samahan na Barkadan. Pero sino ba talaga si Jennifer? Kinuhaan namin ng panig ang ilan sa kanyang mga kaibigan.
J! J is for zombie kasi isa kang malaking bakla. Very nice. Joyful. You are so Jennifer. J for Georgie. Letter E. Jen is enlightening. Enjoyable. Elastic. Etcetera. Elegant. Ecstatic. Energetic. Kahit saan mo hilayan yung go. Letter N is for nurse. You're so Jennifer.
Kaya mo yung oras natin, no?
Letter N is for... Jen, huwag mo na ako pahirapan. Hindi pa ka natutulog. Never a dull moment. Bukan ng bagal sa dito. Tol, sasabihin niya sa'yo. 10 minutes, nandiyan na ako. Isang oras na maghihintay. Noisy.
Nice girl.
Nice na girl. Nice girl. Wow, nice girl. Nawawala. Never ending. Ang kulit.
Never mind.
Never ending na chikahan, kalibabat, text, kulitan, and everything. Nakakaloka ka. Never. Never pa akong makakita ng isa pang Jen.
Letter I. Si Jen. Intrigera yan.
Inglesera. Yan. Isa pa yung hindi mo na kailangan tanungin kung bakit. Intelligent. Ignorant. Meron mga ibang bagay kaya mo hindi pa niya pero sinungaling ka. Kunwari ignorante na sila. Inuman, banding. Sobrang hindi ka na namin nakakasama mag-inuman. Kailan yung last na inuman? At ito pa, may utang ka pa sa akin inuman nung grand party sa bahay. Hindi ka pumunta. Letter S. And you are such a faggot. F for funny. Pantasya ng bayan. Okay? Fun to be with. Abulosa.
Palaka. Social etcetera palaka.
Oh, yes. Letter E for effort. Enthusiastic. Entertaining. Kamusta naman? Pag sinising mo si Jane, tuturuan ka niyan. 2-point eaters, cowboy tayo, at kung ano-ano pang kalukuhan. Enjoy kasama, kahit saan. Etlog. Ewan ka upa. Or, responsible. Rampadora.
So ravishing.
Reliable source ka para sa akin. Sobrang, yung mga times na, kunyari manghingi ako sa'yo ng mga payo, restless, responsible, saka reliable. Lagi nandyan for us. You are so goofus. Nakanig ko lang yung never been kissed kahapon. Goofus is the new cool word according to that movie. So you are so goofus. Bahala ka na, you research that sa internet. Ready to go. Ridiculous mo. Sigurado yun.
Tinanong din ng The Buzz ang mga di makakalimutang sandali na nakasalamuhan nila si Jen.
Isa nag-text pa sa akin, sabi niya, Ate Des, help, about sa kita, hindi ko wala. Sabi ko, oh, bakit? Malapit na daw kasi yung case press nila. Tapos sabi ko, oh, sige, game, ano kailangan mo case? Narami ako, tapos sabi ko, patulong naman dyan, baka mamaya may case ka about DM, secondary to ganyan-ganyan. Tapos sabi ko, sige, hanapin ko. Tapos sabi ko, ano ba kailangan mo? Sabi niya, kasi lahat. Yes, sabi ko, lahat. Sabi ko, akala ba kailangan mo na ng tulong? Tapos sabi niya, hindi, kasi marami na akong ginagawa, tapos marami pa akong hinahabol na paperwork, umalis sa akin, tapos sabi ko, okay, tapos wait lang, hanapin ko Sabi ko, okay, pagdating ito na, siyempre na nahanap ko na siya. Ayun, nagkaayos naman lahat. Pero bangag-bangag nga lang si Glenn nung kinabukasan nung tinanong ko sa kami. Oo, okay na lahat. Naging classmate kami. Tapos, pag-boring yung teacher, dahil kami nagsulatan sa papel, ganyan. Naalala ko siguro yung panahon. Ewan ko lang kung naalala mo, yung naglayas ako. Isa sa mga pinaka-unforgettable na text. Umuwi ka na, magbayad tayo ng sana bill natin. Alam mo, super panalo, friend. Alam mo, panahon na umiiyak talaga ako, lugbok ako sa luha. Salamat po. Kung saan man bang pool yun, yung nag-swimming tayo, na sumigaw ka, nang mag-cowboy tayo, at nasa ng 2 liters na ko. Sige lang. Naalala mo ba nung time na nag-apply tayo for call center sa Makati, na pinaglakad kita ng bonggang-bongga habang nababasa tayo sa ulan? Tapos, sinundo natin si Nikki dun sa pinagtatrabahuhan niya. Diba? Sobrang funny nung experience na yun, and sobrang hindi ko makakalimutan yun. Simula pa lang nung unang party sa bahay, tumutuka ka sa gilid ng basurahan. So, nasa gitna mo na yung basurahan. Yun yung mga unforgettable memories. Hindi ko makalimutan yung sinuhay mo yung ukot sa paa. Come on, grabe talaga. Patay yung ukot sa paa si Necrotic. Kung hindi sa'yo, grabe. Nakakapag-sandal sa lambi ko yun. Grabe, ilang dahil ko kayo nilalagay mo dahil sa paa ko. My girl, kadiri talaga. Saka naaalala mo nung bumigibig tayo. Tumakasal kita kayo. Tumakasal. Nagkano tayo sa may board, uminom tayo ng palahingkat. Doon nag-upila yung deep sea, hindi pa tinanukan ako. Saan mo na, I'm deep sea. Sabi ko, Tol, ano? Anong deep sea ka dyan? Ay, grabe, may atawag sa'yo, deep sea girl, di ba?
Ngunit sa panandaliang paglisan patungong Dubai, ay may munting pabaon kami sa'yo.
Hi, Jen! Pagbalsa, ingat ka dyan. Bye-bye. Live lang.
Gawin mo, kumakain mo.
Love you.
Then, thanks sa lahat. I love you so much. Ingat ka doon. And pag uwi mo, gusto ko ng maraming chocolate. Huwag kang magsugawa ng mabahong Arabo, please. Pilipino na lang. I love you!
So Jen, I know we just met and I don't know you that much, pero as far as I know, you're good and kind-hearted. Shows naman. So, ingat sa journey mo sa Dubai, ingat sa mga Arabo, and good luck.
Congrats, good luck, and mamimiss kita after 2 years. We'll see each other. Sana successful na tayong lahat. Mag-Facebook tayo lagi, then basta lagi tayong keep in touch. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to love you so much. Jen, magna-nurse ka na. Parang hindi uwi ng Pilipinas. Uwi ka ba ng Pilipinas? Huwag mong kakalimutan, ha? Sa Dubai, madaming bibiling tsokolate. Friend, hindi mo na kailangan magpabayad. I believe in you. Makakahalit ka ng lalaki. Kapag ang lalaki, kung sakali mo maging single ka for life, isasama-sama tayo. Don't worry. Uwian mo ako ng taga-Dubai. Ay, hindi Pilipino. Ayoko na Pilipino. Gusto ko baka magkaroon kami ng moment. Anak, Dubai. Ano nga, movie sa mga abroad-abroad na yan. Milan. Ayoko ng ganyan. Sobra ka ng nice. Tigilan mo na. Geniality. Mapiyat. Pero na rin natin. Bye-bye. Mami Jen, huwag mong kalimutan. Mangolekta ng camel para sa amin. Ha? Good luck!
Ang camel pag binigay may kasamang lalaki.
Ay, ayoko ng lalaki. Gusto ko camel lang. Love life. Kailangan pa ba niya ng love life? Tulwag na. Bye! I'm glad na makakaalis ka na rin ng bansa. Thankful ako na naging friend kita ever since second year pa lang. I miss ko rin yung mga picture mo ha, kaya kailangan magpapadala ka pa rin. Keep in touch, syempre. Syempre tattoo. Kailangan meron pera. Ampunan mo naman kami dito, ha? Maghanap ka na ng boyfriend mo ha. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo, marami tayo, maghanap ka lang. Saka, syempre, gumawa ka naman yung gwapo, matino, matangkad. Huwag naman yung kung sino-sino lang dyan. Take care of yourself wherever you are. Kahit nandun ka na sa ibang lugar. Huwag kang makakalimot ha. Basta kailangan nandito pa rin kami sa puso mo. Good luck sa career. Naunahan mo pa ako, di ba? Thank you sa lahat ng memories with me at saka sa tropa namin. Hindi kita makakalimutan. At saka keep in touch ko. Tapos, like be here pa rin. Saka, thankful ako na nandito namin some other time pag nandun na kami lahat. Ingat ka palagi. Huwag mo kaming kalimutan. Miss ka namin. Hoy, inuman at saka utang mo sa akin. Ingat.
Congratulations, saka I'm looking forward na maging successful ka in the future. And I'm proud of you.
Sana maging maganda yung career mo doon. Sobrang mamimiss ka namin dito. Alagaan mo sarili mo. For sure malulungkot si Ian dahil mawawala ka na. Pero may internet, huwag ka makakalimot, send ka ng pictures, pwede mong inform kami na okay yung kalagayan mo doon. Namimiss kita ng sobra. Love na love kita, Jen. Bye-bye. Ingat ka parati doon. Bye-bye.
Bye, Jen. Ingat ka
Bye,
doon.
Jen.
Yeah.
Jen, alis ka na. Paano na lang kami? Paano na lang ako? Sino lang tatawagan ko? Sino lang kausapin ko? Hindi na ako magsusumbong. Huwag mong kalimutan. Kunin mo ko ha. Mag-ipon ng pera para pagdating mo dito, lalabas tayo. Labas tayo na labas. Gimik tayo ng gimik. Gimik ng gimik. As usual na ginagawa natin. Tumatakas na naman tayo para gumimik. So, miss kita. Ingat ka doon. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo. I love you.
Sana mag-ingat ka doon. Tapos, hindi ko kakalimutan niya sina Ivy, aalagaan siya. Tsaka pag umalis ka na, tawag-tawag ka. Pero pag wala ko si computer eh. Tumawag ka na lang. Pero pumunta ko palagi si Ivy sa bahay. Ngayon, kumusta mo ako sa mami mo, kay dad, hello. Tapos pa rin pag-alubo ko, palimutan din pati siya. Basta ingat ka doon, bye-bye. I love you. Mwah!
Hi Jen, I'm happy for you sa lahat ng na-achieve mo. Keep in touch and good luck sa career mo. Namimiss ka namin. Ingat ka palagi. Sana mahanap mo yung right guy for you. Huwag mo kami kakalimutan na nandito lang kami mga friends mo. Love ka namin. Mwah!
Jenai, thanks for the memorable moments we shared. I know this is not our last gathering. Baka pumunta rin ako ng Dubai. Please take care of yourself always. I'm always hoping for your good health. Please avoid any vices, sporty and sexy. Keep in touch tayo lagi. Chat anytime or video call is much better. Send my regards to your family there in Dubai and to your kuya in Canada. Send them my thanks too about last time. Your debut for choosing me and Katrina Francia, your MCs for that night. It was also a memorable moment. Nosebleed ako noon, grabe. Jen, thank you again. Please don't forget our unforgettable memories like our CET and badminton sessions. Please continue to play badminton to release stress and also when you're bored. Thank you Ren because you were there to help me when I need someone to talk to. Madami na akong request na tinupad mo. Also for introducing me to Barkadots. I owe you much for those. Please don't change. Have a safe trip and happy life abroad. Soredewa sayonara. Your special friend, Kaloyski.
Hi Jen, I heard you're leaving for Dubai. I wish you all the best. I hope na sana makahanap ng mga friends mo yung family there. Kung malulungkot, just look at the bright side of it. And may God bless you always and good luck.
Hey, Jen. Aww, you're on your way na to Dubai. Oh, God bless your journey and all the best to you. Your son loves you. Take care.
What's up, Jen? This is me, Billy. Just want to say bon voyage to going to Dubai. Mahirap maging OFW, no? 2 years ka dun yung kontrata mo. Sulat ka na lang. No, I'm just playing. All the blessings in the world to you. Have a safe trip and take care.
Hi, Jen. Just wanna wish you good luck. I heard you're leaving for Dubai. Well, I hope for the best for you and your career. And take care always. And God bless you.
Hi, Jen. Good luck sa pagpunta mo sa Dubai and may God bless all your future endeavors. God bless you.
Hello, Jen. Sarah. I heard that you're a very nice girl and friendly. That's good. It's good up. And alis ka na. You're off to Dubai. Have a safe trip. Good luck.
Jen, I hear you're leaving for Dubai and you're a very nice and friendly person. So sayang I wasn't able to meet you before you leave. But just have a safe flight and enjoy your new life maybe. As Dubai, and don't forget to come visit sometimes, and sana one day I'll actually meet you. God bless and have fun.
Hi Jenny, it's Gary Lee here, and I heard that you're leaving for Dubai. Well, you know, Dubai is a wonderful place. It's a great place visually. Jenny, I know we share the same faith. And wherever God takes you, that's exactly where He wants you to be. And whatever He has for you to do is something that only you can do. So God bless you on your trip. Don't be sad. You know, God is just a prayer away. Your friends are a text away. That takes time. God is just a prayer away and a lot closer than that. So God bless you. Jen, your friends here in the Philippines love you. I hope I can meet you someday when I go to Dubai. All right, Jen? So have a wonderful trip, a fruitful trip, and a blessed trip. God bless.
Jen, I heard that you're leaving. So always remember that you have your friends, your family here will be waiting for you. And I hope you have a good time in Dubai. God bless you. Come back soon. Be safe.
Hi sis! Te, finally this is it. Alis ka na. Masaya ba o malungkot? Of course, syempre sad. Wala na akong sister. Katabi sa bed, kaharutan sa kama, kakiskisa ng muka, tagapayo, taga-encourage, utusan, hehehehe. At higit sa lahat, a friend. Siguro nakakapanibago pero sabi mo nga, kayanin ko. And it's for my own good naman eh. Basta tamang budget lang sa bahay, kaya yan. Don't worry. Basta, dapat lagi may communication ha. Baka naman panay si tupe na naman yan. Hehehe, joke lang. Basta pagdating mo doon, don't forget yung kinsena sa katapusan ko, okay? Hehehe, basta te, the best ka, wala nang papalit sa'yo. Alam mo na yon. Basta be strong ha. Huwag ka papaape, masyado ka kasi mabait eh. Baka inaabuso ka na, di mo pa alam. Basta, yun lang hirap kasi through words eh. Paramdam ko na lang mamaya, shikarot lang. Ingat ka doon, I know God will always be at your side. Pakialagaan na lang sina mommy at daddy para sa akin. Yun lang, gotta go, inuman na!
Jen, moving on. Things are getting faster and unstoppable. The time has come for you to go on your own. Moving on doesn't mean you have to change your life entirely. You still have to treasure and keep your family, relatives, friends, and loved ones, and allow the opportunity to seek, though we're not there anytime physically to support and guide your path. Our prayers and communication will keep us bonded. I am so happy that you passed the local board exams and accomplished all the necessary trainings and seminars you need. Now you're going to a different place. A place where you're not used to adapt and gain clinical experience wherein you can use it in your near future. To tell you honestly, nobody knows this. Once I pass my exam, I'll file my nominee program to get you and Ivy here in just a couple of months. What we need is hospital experience for a year or more. And you both are going to be here. Canada changed my life. I can eat wherever I want, I can buy whatever I want, and I can go wherever I want. But I will never forget that you, Ivy, Mom, and Dad need my help. That's why I'm trying to save for our future. Maybe this is my luck after all my sacrifices and hard work in MMC and reviewing for those stupid exams. Just try to be positive, and I know God has plans in all of this stuff. Just be safe in Dubai, and I'll see you soon. Love, Kuya Fai.
At ngayong gabi, babasagin na niya ang kanyang pananahimik upang harapin ang mga issue at intrigang kanyang kinasasangkutan. Jennifer Ligue, live!